Hey folks, my guys are ready to put that motor and transmission back in that Mustang right now. Let's go.
Well, what I'm saying is that can we go in there?
Yeah, but this is almost the trajectory, so whenever we turn the motor, pick it up, then I'll kick the back end around and it should go straight underneath the car. You know what I mean? That's what I'm hoping for.
Once we get it somewhat over here where it'll pass, we go back up to the car. This is the full kind of right spot.
Yeah.
Okay, a little more. Okay. Come up. Okay, and hold it. You hold back on the engine while I do that? Or do you want to come up and hold it? Because as we're coming up, we can go inch forward as we're going up the car every time. Okay, now let's push it back towards me. Okay, and we need to angle it some more. Come up with the car.
Oh.
Look down. Come up. Need to come back some.
Can't go back.
There we can. There we are. That's what she said.
Going down.
Ooh.
Alright, no, stop. No.
Gotta angle it back up.
Getting down to the nitty gritty right now. Just checking motor mount alignment with the frame. This one's lined up real nice. The other one's kind of tweaked, so we got to figure out which one.
Are you lined up there?
Yeah.
Ease her down just a little bit.
Oh man, I'll hold it there.
Get one side in.
That was easy peasy. You going from the front or the back? Doesn't matter.
I'll drop it to the front.
Yeah, nuts to the back.
Nuts.
Nuts to the back.
You know, just in case the nut comes off magically, the motor will still be in the car.
Isn't that something?
Magic. What magic lock nuts for?
We're in there, guys. Okay.
One more. Alright. Oh yeah, we can fight with that.
Oh, it needed to go up further. That's what it is.
You got to come down just a little more.
Alright.
Oh yeah. We're good. Folks must go work.
Hey, we've got the motor in. I mean, it went in like butter. all that pre-work that we do on these cars, you know, that mock-up and all that stuff, it makes these assemblies so much easier to go back together. So folks, comment down below. Give us your, you know, your thoughts and what you're thinking about this malicious intent build. And we're just gonna keep putting together and keep putting stuff on this car and get it prepped and ready to go down the road right here at Muscle Cars of Texas.